I'm Ed, and I work here at the Sac City Makerspace, and today I'm going to show you how to set up a print on the Replicator Plus. So the first thing you're going to want to go to File, Insert File, and navigate to wherever you saved your STL file. Here I'm just in the download section of this computer, and click on this Dear STL. And the first thing you'll notice when I open it is all these red lines. That indicates that the file is too big for the printer, so I'm going to have to change its size, and I'll do that by going over here to Scale, which is this square right here, and I'm going to make it 50%. You have to ensure that uniform scaling is on, and you can see right here it'll tell me how big my file is. It's 5.5 inches tall. That's pretty big. So the next thing you might want to do is orient the file. You can do that by going to these circular triangles here and just change the file orientation to however you want it. And I'm going to reset this. Here that I can change the orientation of the file. You're going to want to do that to make sure that flat surfaces are down. That'll ensure that you get the best print. And just by playing with the orientation, you'll get better prints. You might need to mess with it a little bit. And you can see just by clicking these buttons, I can change it by 90 degrees, or I can just type in whatever I want the degree to be. By holding the right mouse button down, I can rotate around the print. And I can just hit this button that says Place Face on Build Prints. And then select the face, bottom, and reorient the print that way. And then do this and reset it. If you've got multiple models on a build print, you can click Arrange. So let's insert another model here. Actually, go to File, Insert Example Prints, and clicking Range Build Print, MakerBot Print will move to where you think your files are, and you can always shift these by left clicking on the file and moving them around wherever you want it. So now I'm going to just delete this here by selecting it and hitting delete. And once I've got my build plate arranged how I want it, I can click this button up here, and that'll generate an estimate for me. And this is going to take about 34 minutes. So once I've done that, I can grab a flash drive, insert that into the computer, and right here in the right corner, I can export the file. And I have to ensure that it's on the Replicator Plus. If you're using the method, which is not in here, never mind. Let's just not talk about that. Let's just pretend that didn't happen. Once you're ready to print, ensure that it's on Replicator Plus, and then hit Export, and export it to your flash drive. You can name the file whatever you want here. And once you successfully saved it, eject your drive, and then you're ready to go over to your printer. Got my print saved on my flash drive. I'm just going to insert it into the printer here. And then go to USB storage. And it'll load up the files from the drive. Eventually. USB storage. And once your files are loaded up, navigate to the file that you named. This one I named Shark here. Just click on it, and you can do that by just depressing this knob. click print, and then leave the drive in as the printer warms up. Take a couple minutes to warm up. You notice that it's laying down a skirt that's to contain the print, and this is when you're going to notice if anything's going wrong with your print. If it doesn't successfully lay down those first two layers, it's not going to print successfully.